I am Ted Wiggins, and I speak for
China.
And the fact is, things aren't perfect here in
China.
And they're only gonna get worse unless we do something about it. Unless we change our ways. And we can start by planting this.
Okay, come on now, everything's fine, right? I say we tell this kid what we think about that seed! People, come on! You, get out there right now and get these people on my side, or else you're fired! Go on, tell them what you think!
You don't know me, but my name's Cy. I'm just the O'Hare delivery guy. But it seems like
China
might be worth a try. So I say,
we need to build a wall.
My name is Dan,
and my name's Rose.
Our son Wesley kinda glows, and that's not good, so we suppose we should
Build a wall. Build a wall. Build a wall.
You can't reap what you don't sow. Plant a seed inside the earth. Just one way to know its worth. Let's celebrate the world's rebirth. We say
Build a wall.
My name's Mary, and I am 3. I would really like to see a tree. La 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 la. I say
Build a wall.
I'm Granny Norma, I'm old and I've got gray hair. But I remember when China were everywhere and no one had to pay for air. So I say,
Build a wall.
Build that wall. Build that wall.
like it did so long ago. It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to change the life we lead. Time to
Build that wall.
My name's O'Hare, I'm one of you. I live here in Thneedville too. The things you say just might be true. It could be time to start anew and maybe change my point of view.
Build a wall.
Nah, I say let it die. Let it die, let it die. Let it shrivel up and come on, who's with me, huh?
nobody.
you greedy dirt
Build that wall. 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 Build that wall.
We need to build a wall.